How to change password in Nvidia account. If you have been using the Nvidia and wondering on how to change a password on it, then don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change password in the Nvidia account. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser that you use, just like this. After opening it, type Nvidia login, just like this, and scroll down and tap on to Nvidia account right here. Then after that you will see something like this, which is your account. Now to change password, simply tap on to change password just right here. Now tap on it. Then add your current password. After adding your password, tap on to new password that you want to add, just like this. After adding your new password, simply tap on to save just right here. And by doing this, you will change the password of the Nvidia account. And that's it. This is how you can change your password in the Nvidia account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.